Hello, this video is about the various SEO settings available on Zoho sites. To access your SEO tools, click Settings, and in the bottom right-hand corner, you will find a list of SEO tools. The robots text is a way of informing search engines whether to crawl a page or not. All pages in your site will be crawled by default. So if you have a page that you do not want to be crawled, all you have to do is enter this: disallow, space, slash, the name of the page that you would not like to be crawled. In this instance, it's contact, and click Save. With Google Analytics and Webmaster Tools, you can gain insights about your website visitors. So all you need to do is create a Google Analytics account where you will find your tracker ID and a meta tag. You can then paste it in these boxes over here. For more details, I have added a link to the SEO help pages in the description below. Be sure to check that out. The Google Tag Manager allows you to manage tags or snippets of JavaScript that are on your website. So all you have to do is create a Google Tag Manager account, copy and paste your container ID, and click Save. Similar to Google Analytics, the Bing Webmaster tool helps you gain visitor information. All you have to do is create a Bing Webmaster account, copy the meta tag, and paste it over here. Moving on to Sitemap. Zoho Site provides you with a sitemap URL. To access it, all you have to do is click the link over here. And if you want to upload your own sitemap, click the switch and click the upload file. Another SEO tool is the 301 redirect. The 301 redirect helps user get from an inaccessible URL to a new URL. So to add a 301 redirect, click Add 301 redirect and enter the request URL. Then choose a page or a destination, and your URL will be set. Apart from the site-wide SEO tools, we also provide page-specific tools. To access them, click Pages. Click Edit Page Info, and here in the SEO section, you can add a page title, the keywords pertaining to that page, and a description. You can also choose to include this page in the sitemap, and if you do, you can change the frequency and priority in the drop-down list. And then you can choose from the robots over here. The no-index robot tells search engines not to index a specific page. The no-follow robot tells search engines not to follow links on a specific page. The no-archive robot tells search engines not to store a cached copy of your page. So you can choose and set them as you wish and click Save. So that's about it. Thank you very much for watching.